Hello to my subscribers. Hi to my first timers. Welcome. Wagwan. It's so good to have you here. If you like my content, please go ahead and subscribe. Click that like button and please leave a comment in the comment section. So today I'll be doing fried rice my way. Yes, fried rice my way. So I actually got a request to make this fried rice. I try my best to make it at least once per week. But then sometimes you want to change up the menu a bit, but then you still get the request to make it. And so this was requested and I decided, oh, well, let me just video the process and post it here so that others can see. So you will need cooked rice, diced onion, ginger, scallion, sweet pepper. Sweet pepper is optional. Tomato, oil or butter, frozen mixed vegetables, coconut milk, and eggs or an egg. In my case, I'm going to be using just one egg. Alright, so this is my cooked rice. I had cooked it enough the day before and I had enough left over. In this pot, I just have a little bit of chopped seasoning. That's tomato, onion, scallion, a piece of ginger, a little piece of pepper because I'm not cooking a whole lot of rice. Right, it's just a bit, and so I add a little oil to the pot and I am sauteing that. If you want, you can go ahead and use butter. I use the oil instead, so I'm just sauteing that. I'm going to add my egg. Usually you add the egg to one side in another pot, right? So you would scrape your seasoning to one side and then you add your egg to the next side. I'm gonna just add the egg, stirring everything together, right? So ensuring that egg is cooked. And then I am going to add my frozen mixed vegetables. All right, so I add that and I'm going to stir it. Turn up the flame a little bit because of course the vegetable is frozen and it would cause the temperature to fall a bit. So I add a little more flame. Yeah. Spin that roll in another pot. And then what I'm gonna do now is prepare my coconut milk. I'll be using greased coconut powder. So I'm going to mix that out in a container. And now I'm going to add it to what I have here. Yeah, so my coconut milk is in. And I'm just gonna allow that to heat up a bit. Looks nice, right? It look pretty already, talk truth. Yes, it looks good. I like how it looks. And I use this deep pot. This is actually my pressure cooker that I'm using. I use the deep pot because I think I have more room to store the rice, right? So yeah, I have enough room, enough space in the pot to store and all of that. And then I'm gonna go for my rice now. And I'm going to add that rice to this that I have here, right? And I'm just gonna stir it in, combine all the ingredients, right? Because I want this fried rice to look pretty. You like when food look pretty? I like when food look pretty. So I'm gonna go for my soya sauce. So that's one thing I didn't remember to add, soya sauce. to the list of ingredients that I mentioned earlier. So this is soy sauce, and this is the Miracle brand, made by Seprod. Must be good, right? Yeah. And what I'm gonna do now is add that soy sauce to my rice to give it that nice brown color. So I'm just gonna add enough and stir the rice, and there we have it. Don't that look like Chinese fried rice? You have to make Chinese food at home. Yeah, that's my fried rice, and so I'm gonna put it in that container before lunch. And so there we have it. I did some red chicken. Okay, want the thing look Chinese? Yes. Right, so I'll have to make another tutorial or do another video to show you how I got the chicken to look like that. But yeah, just put the rice in that container, add the chicken to it, and that's the end result. And that's my fried rice right there. Right, so you can go ahead and try it. Please come back here and comment. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know how it tasted. And if you like my content, please subscribe. Let me just inform you that I have a store. I'll leave a link in the description down below. You can click on the link and visit my store. And I sell digital products like wall art and the t-shirt designs. I promise you they are not expensive, they are of good quality. So you can go over and take a look, walk around my store, click on the collection section, click on the photos, go through. Yeah, shop with your eyes. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys, and thank you for watching.